Red blood cell inclusions can be seen in various occasions in peripheral blood smear. Normoblast, nucleated RBC. Howell-jolly body. The Howell-jolly body is DNA remnants. Basophilic stippling. Basophilic stippling is denatured RNA. Siderotic granules. Siderotic granules contain iron. They are purple in conventional staining, but blue with peril staining. Malarial parasites. Reticulocyte. Heinz bodies. Heinz bodies are oxidized denatured hemoglobin. The reticulocyte RNA and Heinz bodies are only demonstrated by supraorbital staining. Example: new methylene blue. If you are interested in my video creation, like this video, feel free to give your comment. Please subscribe us on YouTube.